Today I am here with a short tutorial of how to connect remote trigger with your speed light. This one is Godox remote shutter X1, and today I am going to show how to connect it with the speed light. First of all, I will connect it with camera. Here is metal connector and it goes into hot shoe just like a speed light. So here it goes, and I will lock it. On this side are on off buttons, so I am switching it on, and there you can see that its LED screen is on now. LCD screen is on. So what we have to do now is we have to see what is channel here. The channel on this trigger and speed light is required to be same. So here is flash and I turn it on, and now what is required is that it should be in slave mode so that it could be controlled with trigger. So I just toggle between modes. It's in master mode and here it goes in slave mode. And I can see, as you can see, channel is 1 and channel on trigger is also 1, so they can connect now. So let's test this now. It's blinking, it means that it is connected. Okay, and now it's ready. Here is camera and I'm focusing in. Some issues, let me see again.
Start.
I think there are some issues. Let me check status. So I will press status button again. Yes, now you can see that flash is blinking. On pressing this status button, it means it's now working. So let's test again now. Here you can see they are connected on same channel, and now shuttle button is triggering speed light remotely. So that's it. This way you can connect multiple flash with this trigger and trigger them at the same time. Thank you for watching video. Goodbye.